Hello, I'm TJ Thielen from Source Allies, and I'm here to show you how you can prove that all of your requirements are properly tested using Codebeamer. Now, one of the key features of Codebeamer is its traceability, and by using their API, we can trace predefined requirements all the way to the tests written in the code. If we go to Codebeamer here, we can see that I have created a sample test set. Now, in this test set, we can see there are no cases and there are no runs of it. Here, we can see it has an ID that was randomly generated when we created the test set. Finally, there is a description here being test cases should pass, test cases should fail. That would be representative of some requirement that would be, in the actual use case of a test set. If we go to the code, we can see that I've spun up a quick little JavaScript test file that has a describe with a tag matching that of the test set, so that way it knows how to trace everything. And we have two tests representing the requirements, being the test should pass and the test should fail. Now, if we run this test, we can see one failed, one passed. That's as expected. False should be false, false should not be equal to true. If we go into the Codebeamer, we can see after a refresh that it added test cases that represent our tests. So we have test cases should pass and test cases should fail. Along with that, it added a test run. This test run represents anytime you execute the tests, and it will create passed or failed results for each individual test. So as we can see here, the ones that should pass, passed. The ones that should fail, failed. Yeah, that is really how we can trace everything all the way from the requirements that we've set in Codebeamer all the way down to the code and the tests that are written for it. I'm TJ from Source Allies. Thank you for joining me in my talk about the traceability of tests in Codebeamer. And if you have any questions or other topics that you'd like covered, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to watch our other videos on Codebeamer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.